Hi guys, I'm back with another video today. Can you imagine we are still working with those lovely cherries in the supermarket? Guys, they are in abundance and we're not gonna let them go to waste. So today guys, I am going to make cherry juice. If you are new here, my name is Song. Thanks for coming. You are welcome. If you already subscribed to my channel, thanks a lot. Road to 1K subscribers. Can you imagine guys? I started at 0 and now I'm up to 500 subscribers. So thanks for your support. Keep coming back. And let's go to the kitchen and make this nice cherry juice. So as you can see, I have my cherry here. It is about like 2 pounds, all red and vibrant. I got these at the supermarket. Look how pretty they are. Now our cherries are all washed and seed plucked out. So now let's make our juice. I will be using cold water. So add some cold water in, and now I'm ready to blend my cherries. So this is my first batch guys, and look how nice and red this is. So now I will just pour this out in my enamel bowl right here for straining. All right, let's do the other batch. So cherries in along with some cold water, and now I'm ready to blend. I'm gonna go ahead and strain. So you see how nice and red that is? I will not be adding any sugar. This is natural juice, no sugar needed. So as you can see guys, this is all the pulp. We don't need this. So I'm just gonna discard this over here. So now I'm gonna serve you a nice, lovely glass of thirst quenching cherry juice over some ice. This juice is packed with vitamin C and it's ideal for this hot summer